Hello friends, this is Rehan. In this tutorial we are going to see about Liferay 7 and how to install Liferay 7 and configure it in Windows. Okay, I am using Windows 10 operating system. Now we will see how to install Liferay 7 in Windows 10 operating system. The process is same for other Windows operating systems, so you don't have to install Windows 10 to install Liferay 7. Okay, but before installing Liferay 7, there are some prerequisites are there. First we will look into it. First you need to install the latest Java JDK version. Okay, you go to my computer to see program files Java. So I have installed 1.8 version. Okay, so to install Liferay 7 you need at least JDK version 1.7. Okay, so if you want to install the Java JDK, and Java JRE, you need to download it from the Oracle website. Java JDK download. Then we will go to this link. Here you can download the JDK and JRE latest version. As I have told you, we need to download more than 1.7. So click on this download and you accept the agreement and you download for either for 64-bit or the 32-bit. So you can download it from here. And to install JRE, you need to go here, select JRE, and you need to install JRE from here and accept the agreement, and you need to click on install based on the what bit system you are running. Okay, so after installing this Java JDK, if you go back to C program files Java, here you can find the JDK and JRE is successfully installed. After successful installation, you can find their folders here. So after installing this Java JDK 1.8 latest version of Java JDK, then you need to set the environment variables. To set the environment variables, you need to go to the My Computer and right click here and go to Properties. Okay, the properties will open. Then you need to go to Advanced System Settings, and here you need to go to Environment Variables, and here you need to set two system variables. One is Java underscore home, another one is JRE underscore home. Okay, so if you want to set it, you just need to click on New, and you need to give the Java variable name as Java underscore home, and for the variable value you need to go to this My Computer C program files Java JDK. This is the location of the Java home for JDK 1.1. so you need to paste it and you need to give OK. Since the variable is already there, so it will get overwritten. And the next variable we need to set is JRE underscore home. You need to give new JRE underscore home. Then you need to copy the location. And JRE home is now first we have this JDK will represent for the Java underscore home, and JRE will in this location, this location value represents to this variable name JRE underscore home. To give OK. Now both the variables has been set, and the next one is you need to set the path. Okay, then you double click this path variable, and in the end put one semicolon. So if you want the location, you need to go back to Java JDK bin. You need to copy this location and you need to paste it here. Control V. Okay, and you press OK. Now the path has been set, and press OK and press OK. Okay, now the path has been set. Now the next is you need to download the RAR file, which the link I have provided in the description. You can also browse to the Liferay website for the latest Liferay 7 Liferay 7 update. Okay, actually I have already downloaded that RAR file and I kept it in here in this Liferay 7 folder. This is the RAR file which I have, which is the latest version that the Liferay has released so far, which is a milestone 1 version. Okay, so we will extract it first. We will rename this to shorter form and press OK. Now the extraction has begun. So during the extraction, I wanted to tell you few points about Liferay 7. It's actually not yet really officially released, and it is also not advisable to be used in the productive environment yet. But if you want to check out the latest features that are released by Liferay, you can just install and check it out. Okay, so it will take another 2 to 3 months till the Liferay 7 has become stable. Okay, so till that you can just install and check the features. So that's what I am going to tell you about. In this tutorial also I will be installing the Liferay 7. From the next tutorial I will be telling them what are the latest features in Liferay 7. So stay subscribed to my channel. Okay, now the extraction is completed. Now to install Liferay 7, you need to go to that extracted folder and you need to open it up. So before you open it up, if you want to check before this step, we have set the environmental variables, right? If you want to check whether that environmental variables is properly set or not, then you need to go to start, you need to go to command prompt cmd, and you need to press Java. So it will so these values will come. If it comes, then the Java variable has been set properly. Java C. Okay, since you are getting some values once you enter this command Java C. Okay, so it's like the environmental variables has been set properly. Okay, now you can go to the next step very confidently. So we are going to that extracted folder inside this Liferay 7 CEM1. Then you need to open the Tomcat 7. You need to go to bin. Then you need to double click on the startup. So this will start the Tomcat server, and the Tomcat server will start and it will install the Liferay automatically. So you don't need to do anything. For some persons this window might not open. Okay, so then that might be because you didn't set the path variable properly. Okay, so so better you check whether you have set the path variable properly or not. Liferay 7 is getting installed. And also I recommend you guys to use RAM more, at least 4 GB, because Liferay has lot of features, so it will consume a lot of RAM. Okay, so I recommend you to use a 4 GB RAM at least. If more than 4 GB also, it's good. I'm currently using 8 GB RAM. Okay, now the Liferay 7 has started, and now we are in the basic configuration page. Now we will give the portal name, let it be as default as Liferay. Then the first name is test, last name is test, and we'll give this add sample data. We can also change the database, and the default database is hypersonic, which is HSQL. Okay, so now we will finish the configuration. You can also see the log in the Tomcat. In the Tomcat, you can also see the log. It's actually importing the resources. So now the basic configuration is completed. Now we will go to our portal. You can also read the terms of use agreement. You can give I agree. Can give for now I'm giving it as test and save it. Okay, now the Liferay is installed and configured. Now if you want to check whether you have installed Liferay 7 or not, okay, you go to add, since we are opening the first time, it's taking little bit time. On the next time it will be very fast. Okay, if you go to applications, go hello world, and if you add this hello world application, you can see here that the edition of the Liferay portal which you have installed. So the version which we have installed is Liferay Community Edition 7.0.0, which is a milestone 1 version. So that's all guys. This is how we will install Liferay 7. In the upcoming tutorials I will tell you about what are the new features that is provided in Liferay 7. Hope you guys like my tutorial. Stay subscribed for more Liferay tutorials. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.